Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great Friday, and this is just a quick video. I am seeking your advice because this single tomato plant that you're looking at it right now, and it's in a pot. This single tomato plant so far has 42 tomatoes, and I will show you. So I'm gonna start with the first cluster of tomatoes right over here. There is a bit of a better shot, and then down here we have another big cluster of tomatoes, and over here another big cluster of tomatoes, and over there another big cluster, and we have some tomatoes down here as well, right over there, and we have some tomatoes down here as well. And in addition to all these tomatoes, I have a cluster with blossoms right here, and some are popping up there, and then I have another cluster of blossoms here. This is just a giant cluster of blossoms. Let me see, some of them are starting. Let me see if I can find it. Right here you can see that some of them are starting to turn into tomatoes, and then we have another cluster of blossoms right down here. We have some more tomatoes here. So as you can see, many tomatoes. So far 42 of them. However, I'm sure more will form. I mean, this cluster here is just giant. So these tomatoes are supposed to grow to be the size of a baseball, and I've never had so many tomatoes in one plant. So I'm seeking advice as far as fertilizers or manure, or I don't even know what to put, because I want all these tomatoes to grow to be big. And yeah, let me know, guys, because I have no clue what to do with this plant. I don't want these tomatoes to stay small. I want them to grow to size. So if you have any advice on organic fertilizers or compost, I don't want to overfeed the tomato either. But so especially the Midwest gardener, he's the tomato whisperer. So please let me know what I have to do, and do I need to water this plant more? I've never had a plant with so many tomatoes. So please let me know if you know. Any help will be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.